Hello all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class we will be discussing about copy data from source table to the target table. So let's see how it works. So how we can create a copy of existing table we will discuss in this video. So let's suppose we have employee one table, EMP1 table as a source table, or we can say it is the original table. Now I want to create a copy of EMP1 as a EMP2 as a target table. Now let's see how it does. So let me show you the data of original table, that is employee one table, EMP1 table. So I am firing this query. So I have written the query how to get the data, all the data of existing table. So select star from EMP1. So this is the record which is present in EMP1 table. Now let's see how to create a copy. Now we have a command, that is create table. Now create table EMP2. Now EMP2 is my target table, or we can say this is a table in which I want to copy all the data of existing table, that is EMP1. Now the command is create table EMP2, that is table name, new table name EMP2 as select star from EMP1. So this command already we have used, that is select star from EMP1 means it is going to show all the records. So the original command to create a copy is create table EMP2 as select star from EMP1. Now let's fire this query. Yes, now you can see on the console the message is table EMP2 is created. So let's see what data is present in EMP2. So again it will copy all the data from EMP1 table, that is original table. Now you can see all the records has been copied into this new table. So as it is, copy table has been created. Now let's suppose I want to create a backup of my original table, that is EMP1 table. So this is EMP1 table which is original table. So if I want to do certain operations, like we can say add, update or anything, if you want to delete anything, then we have to keep a backup. We have to keep a backup of our original table. So this is the requirement. So we are creating a backup of original table. So let's see what would be the query. So create table emp1 underscore backup bkp. So this is the name of table, that is backup table, as select star from emp1, that is original table. Now let's run this query again. It will create a copy. Now let's see what it does. So it says name already used for the existing object. So already the table is present. So I am dropping the table. So let us drop first table. So drop table emp1 underscore bkp. So we are dropping the table. So the name already exists. So let's fire this query. So this command is to delete the table. So you can see the message that table emp1 underscore backup dropped. Dropped means all the table record and structure will be deleted permanently. Now let's create the backup table using existing table, that is emp1 table. Now if I fire this query, you will get the message like table emp1 underscore backup is created. Now again the backup is created. So let's see what are all the records present in emp1 underscore backup, that is new table. So if I run this query, you will see all the records of original table has been copied into this backup table. So this is how we can copy all the records from existing table, or we can create a backup table, so that if at all the data is lost or any by mistake the data is deleted, the backup table is present so that we can recover original data. Now let's see how to copy a specific column with whole data. Now let's suppose my requirement is I want to copy only specific columns with all the records present in original table. Now let's see how it works. Now let us take a view on original table, that is select star from EMP, sorry it is EMP1. So this is EMP1 original table. So our original table is EMP1. So this is our original table. So let's see first all the records present in EMP1. So EMP1, you can see total 16 records are present. Now what is my requirement? My requirement is this is my source table EMP1. So let me change the name. So EMP1 is my source table, and my target is to create EMP3 table with EMP number. Only I have to copy EMP number, EMP name, and EMP salary from this particular original table, that is source table. Now let's see. Let me draw first table with name EMP3. If at all the table name of EMP3 is present, let us delete the table first. So drop, we have command drop table EMP3. So this will delete all the records and structure of table. Yes, so the table is dropped. So let me remove this. Now let's create EMP3 table, and we will create only these columns, that is EMP number, EMP name, EMP salary from EMP. Original table is EMP1. So this is our original table. From EMP1 we are going to create EMP3 table, that is target table with only certain columns, that is these three columns. Now if I run this query, you will see the output, that is, let me see what is the error. Okay, it is showing error that EMP salary name is not valid. So let us see the original table. So this is the original table. So let's see what is the column name. Okay, the column name is sal. So we should write sal. So let us write name as column name as sal. SAL. So let's see. So we are creating EMP3 table, new table, as select EMP number. This column I want. Then EMP name. So E name. Actually E name should be there. So E name I am renaming. E name, then sal. So this data I want from original table, that is EMP1 table. So let's try to run this and let's see how it creates a table, new table. So if you run this query, yes, now it will show on console that table EMP3 is created. Now let's see what are all data copied into this new table, that is EMP3. So if we fire the query, we'll see the data. Now you can see EMP name, EMP number, E name and salary. Only three columns are copied and created a new table with name EMP3. So like this, you can create a new table by considering only the certain required columns. So this is how the table is created. Now the next requirement is copy only table structure. Now what is table structure? So let us see the original table view. So this is that original table name, table view. So this is original table. Now what is our requirement? So we have to copy only table structure. Table structure means only the heading part, and I don't want all the data which is present in this table. I want only the structure, that is employee number, e name, job, mgr, like this. Only I want the structure, I don't want this data. So how to do this? So again we have command, that is create table bkp2. So backup 2, I want to create a table backup 2. This is the table name, that is new table name. Adds select star from emp. So this is original table name, that is emp1, where 1 is equal to 2. So this is the expression. We should write any expression which will not satisfy. So like you can write 4 is equal to 5, like you can write 10 is equal to 20. So likewise you can write any expression which should not satisfy. Next, so let us fire this query. So create table bkp2. So let's see how it will create a table. So again it says that name is already present. So let me drop the table first. So drop table bkp2. So let us drop the table which is of name bkp2. So yes, the table is dropped. Now let us fire the query. So if we fire the query, then you will see, yes, now table bkp2 is created. Now let's view the data from bkp2. So if you see the view, you can see only the structure is created from original table. So you can see only structure is copied and rest of the data is not copied. So as per your requirement, you can add the new data. So this is how you can copy only the table structure. Now, now another requirement is copy specific table data with whole column using where clause. So let's suppose we have department number 10, 20, 30. Now my requirement is copy all records, copy only records of department number 10, 20, 30 with all the columns. This is my requirement. Now let's see how it does. So I have written the requirement. So the requirement is create table BKP2. So this is the name of table. Let us write 3 because I think 2 is already created. So from EMP1 original table having only department number is equal to 10 and 20. So let us view the original table. So this is the original table, you can see. So what is our requirement? We have to fetch or we have to create a data of only department number 10 and 20. So the department number 10 and 20, all the data will be considered and the new table will be created. So let's first drop the original table, sorry, the BKP3 table. If at all it is present, let us drop. Okay, it is not present, it is fine. Now let's create the table BKP3. Let's create a table BKP3. Okay, so you can see the query. So create table BKP3, table name, new table name as select star from EMP1 original table name where department number in 10 comma 20. So this is query which will consider only departments 10 and 20. So all these are basic concepts which we covered in the previous video. So if you don't know the basic concepts, you can go and watch our previous videos. So I will provide the link in the description box. So this is the query which will get record of only departments 10 and 20 and it will copy into the new table that is BKP3. So let us fire the query. So if you fire the query, it will tell us that table BKP3 is created. Now let's see all the records in this new table that is BKP3 we have created and we have want to view the data and I want to order the data by department number in ascending order. So ordering means we are ordering data into ascending or descending order. So now in this query, it will order by default into ascending order. And if you are interested to sort data into descending order, so you have to write here DASC. That is, it will sort or it will order the data into descending order. Also, I have created the video for the order by clause, where clause, and clause, or clause. So if you have not gone through the videos, previous video, you can go and watch the previous videos. So now we are going to fetch the data from new table that is BKP3 and we are going to order or sort data into descending order. So let us fire this query. So if you fire this query, you will get the data only of departments 20 and 10. So first will be 20, higher will be at the top and 10 will be at the list or it will be at the bottom. So 10 and 20 the departments are ready. Now if I remove this ASC DESC, then it will sort the data into ascending order. So if you fire the query, you can see the department number is sort into ascending order. So 10 will be at the top and 20 will be at the bottom. So this is how we can do the copy operations for existing table. So I hope this part is pretty much clear. So that's all for now. We will meet in the next video and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So thank you all of you and have a wonderful day.